Hi guys, Baking World on here. Today we will be making
peanut butter cups from
this book.
the Vegan Cookbook. That's where the recipe is coming from, and this is what it looks like. And that's what we're gonna be making. As you can see, the ingredient list is very, very short. So what you're gonna need is chocolate, morsels, some creamy peanut butter, confectioner sugar, which is powdered sugar,
And a tray.
and a silicone tray that we're gonna use. They say to line the pan. I would say if it's a metallic pan, then line it with small muffin wrappers. If not, if you have a silicone tray, you don't really need to line them because they'll pop out really easy. Well, let's get started. All right, first step, 1 tablespoon of butter in a small non-metallic bowl. Plastic bowl, go ahead, put it in there low. Dump it up, use your finger, push it off the spoon, get it in there. There you go.
Get off of my finger.
All right. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of vegan butter, margarine it says. Dump it in. You're gonna have to scoop it out. Get your fingers messy. Get in there. Yeah, there we go.
That went perfectly.
Now you're gonna microwave it for about 30 seconds. You don't want it to be completely melted. You want it to be softened. Here we go. Now we're gonna add in our confection sugar, 1/4 cup. Dump that in there. It looks like our microwave is a little strong, so the 30 seconds melted our stuff instead of softened it, but that's okay. There you go. Sweet. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna mix that up. Mix it thoroughly so it's nice and blended all together. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna take the chocolate and the remaining butter, which is gonna be 1 more tablespoon of butter. And then you're gonna get about 12 ounces of chocolate and melt that either in a double broiler or a large heat-proof bowl and over a saucepan in simmering water, and you can melt it like that if you don't have a broiler. We happen to have a double broiler, and that's how we're gonna melt our chocolate. So, all right, so we have our last tablespoon of vegan margarine, and we are gonna take our bag of morsels. It says 12 ounces and broken up. This is a 9-ounce bag. So we're just gonna dump the whole thing in there, set our double broiler to melt, and let it do its thing. And then once you have it all melt, you combine all of the ingredients, put a teaspoon and dump it into the liners. We'll see how it comes back.
Let's do this.
All right, now what we're gonna do is take 1 teaspoonful of our chocolate, put it in our pan,
This is the best part.
and then we're gonna mix in a 1/2 teaspoon of our peanut butter and dump that in there. And you're gonna fill it up with some more chocolate and then continue doing the remainder of the cups. But be careful not to overfill it. This is actually not a baking recipe. It's gonna go right in the fridge for about an hour, and then you can pop them out and enjoy. Off in fridge to go.
That's heavy.
Come on. Slide it up there.
Made some room here.
I'm gonna leave it in in here for 1 hour.
And then take them out.
Should be good for eating. We're gonna try these out now. Look at that. Look
Finally
at that.
finished.
Look at that big chunk of chunk.
What's in my hands?
Look at that peanut butter in there, boy. That's good. Give it a try. Write in the comments below how you like them.
Like I said last video, like, subscribe, and share with a friend, and ring the notification bell.
There you go. You heard it.
And comment how good these are.
Have a sweet day.